Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhome's Devon branch on a stunning late-ish May 2026 day, and because it is absolutely red hot out on the forecourt, just grabbed an opportunity to do a quick video on well, this one's on our best-selling van, or certainly one of the top two best-selling vans, and this is the Wildax Europa XL. I'll also include in this video the Wildax Europa, its slightly shorter sibling, but this is the XL. So Wildax are part of the Rapido Group family run firm by the Wildmans, based in Elland in Yorkshire. We love Wildaxes. This is our Wildax display. We've got Equinox, Pulsar, Meteor, Solaris XL, Europa XL, Constellation 3XL, Aurora Leisure 6 metre, Aurora fixed bed with sky view, and a 6 metre Europa. So we have got the full lineup. Our best selling one has been the Europa XL of the last 2 years. Came down in price for this year, up spec for 2025, and they are beautiful 2-berth end lounge vans. Let's have a little look at the tail of the tape and explain the reasoning for this video in a moment. So this one's a 2026 Wildax Europa XL. This one's been our display model. I'll come back to some options with you in a moment. So it's the end lounge 2-berth one. Sod the grandkids, eh? 3.5 tonne, fitted Cato, 2.2 8-speed auto. You can order them with a manual, but nobody wants a manual anymore. 6.36 metres long on the 6.360 XL wheelbase. 2.05 body width, 2.65-ish height. Price is 78,645. That's how we order our ones. We can order you fresh ones. But reason for this video I'm going to talk about is that we have immediate availability. So if you want a Wildax Europa XL or a Wildax Europa, we've got a few options for you basically. So we'll talk about the 6 metre one in a minute and I'll explain the differences, but we'll have a little look at this one first. We'll have but first of all, let's talk about what we have. So we've been busy stockpiling these. So if you want a Europa XL or a 6 metre Wildax Europa, you want one quickly, we're the company to talk to. So currently we've got this one. This one's been on display for a little while. We've taken it to a couple of shows and it's probably time to set it free. It's brand new, unregistered still, but that means there's a bit of a deal to be had. Talk to us about it and we'll work out if you've got a part exchange and advantageous balance to change, or if you haven't, we'll work out what's the best price and package that we can do for you. So if you want to save a few quid on retail, then this is the one for you. Now, nothing wrong with it. It's got a couple of little catches that might have been borrowed by the workshop or just need a bit of tightening, but they're well built vans. They hold up to things very, very well. So it's done. It's not going to pop up for me. There we go. So you've got your Digi Dash, 424 miles. So we've taken it to 2 or 3 shows. It's just come back from Newbury show with us. Plus side, that means we've put some mileage on it, so you know it's not going to whack on an engine management light the first time you use it. So it's in our tense grey metallic. There's 2 colours available from Wildax. We've got the Expedition Grey and the R10s, which is the metallic one. And this is the spec we order all of our stock vans to. So we talk about the standard spec as we go around, but the options that we fitted on this one, our display model, and all our backup stock the same, is the 4 metre Wildax awning, 4 metre 2-lay awning, factory fitted by Wildax. Some dealers fit their own. Everybody wants one. We'd rather get them fitted when they're built. And it's also got the factory fitted Truma barbecue point. Really hard to retrofit these, so we always put them on. You may never use it. It's sort of 200 and something quid option, so you never use it. It's not the end of the world, is it? And the other option we've put on all of ours is our exclusive and beautiful, I would say, full Castello cloth upholstery. So that's not the standard Wildax upholstery. This is something we put in all of our stock vans because we feel like it blends the grey ash wood to the worktop, to the blue that's in the splashbacks, and the accents all blends in with the upholstery. So this is the XL. So difference between this and the 6 metre one, it's this unit here basically. Everything else stays the same. So on the 6.36 and the 6, the bathroom is there. It's the 6.36. You're going to this deskette unit, high level cupboard and a swivel driver's seat. Now, while we're in here, can't be too long because the phone will overheat. 6'5", 6'3" full wraparound Altair style cabinet work, was new for 2025. Every spotlight has got a USB charger in it. This upholstery just suits it so well, doesn't it? You've got full loose fit carpets, two table legs for two separate tables that you can form one table with if you prefer. Flying wardrobe. And we've got the microwave, which is the Dometic one with no spinny plate. Big 138 litre or something 12 volt Thetford fridge. TV point, we can fit you a bracket for your TV on there. We've got the new blinds, which the corners don't fall off of, concertina ones. Got your gas oven there, 3 gas burners, and your combination oven and grill underneath. Loads of storage in the kitchen. And then the cab specification of all the 25 onwards. So you've got absolute top of the range kit. You've got the 142.2 auto, climate control, 8-speed automatic gearbox, steering wheel controls for your stereo, your cruise control, electronic handbrake, electronic folding mirrors, full cab blind, and the brilliant Fit 11-inch lets you connect stereo system and your digital dash. This one's got the 160 watt 140 watt solar panel. It's 100 amp hour lithium as standard, and this one's got the last of the old CBE controllers which they were building them with earlier on in the model year. So swivel passenger seat and driver's seat, easy to get both around in this one. Lift up workspace on both ends. Simple wet room bathroom, but with a window for plenty of light and a skylight for ventilation, and you can take your shower out the window to hose things off outside. More cupboard space there with your tables in it, and you've got a very big space for your bedding over the cab. So it is the real deal, and we've sold over 20 of these this model year just of Europa XL, and that's well over 20 I think, so it's a very, very good seller. So availability, we've got this one available. We also have one exactly the same, factory fresh, just been delivered in our storage compound. That is available, but we'd make this one worth your while if you don't mind it. And now this is where it gets real exciting. We have just about to be delivered, look just like that, a 180 horsepower one. Now you don't need the 180 unless you're towing something considerable, but if you want the 180 horsepower, well, normally you're going to have to special order a chassis. That's 12 to 16 weeks, and then you're talking 4 to 6 weeks for Wildax to build it, deliver it, 4 weeks for you to get it. So you're talking 4, 5, 6 months, and that's if there's no delays or Russian attacks or Chinese computer chip factory fires or COVID or things. We've got a 180 brake one just like that in build. Obviously these later 26 models got 200 watt solar panel and a different trim control panel. That's just going to arrive, and also we were able to pick up that as a spare chassis, so we're going to do your 180 horsepower engine for £1,000 less, and that's literally not even arrived yet. So if you want a 180, you don't want to wait, and a Europa XL, you know, you don't need the 180, the 140 is fine, but nobody ever complained about having too much power. So budget allows, we'll do that 180 horsepower one for an extra £2,000 instead of an extra £3,000. We'll pass on the saving that we were able to negotiate by picking it up as a spare. So that's the Europa XL. So we've got the demo one, do a bit of a deal on it. We've got an identical one, factory fresh in storage, or we've got a 180 brake one that's about to land. Now, if you want to order one because you want pink upholstery, we can do that as well. 6 metre one, it's only about 600-700 quid cheaper. Same spec, same everything. R10's grey, this one. We've got 2 of these. This one we'll probably keep for display, but currently we do, again, just been delivered. We've got a factory fresh one, exactly the same as this. So you'll see the difference between the 6 and the 6.36. Oh, I'll take the carpets up in this one. Also, the demo's got the grey ash wood, which is no longer available. So all the others are going to have the Oyster Urban wood like this. So the differences between this and the 6.3, obviously apart from the wood finish, is that unit there. Remember that unit was there, which had the so you could swivel the driver's seat round further, gave you a little bit more cab space there, or foot space for the driver if you're very tall. And And for the eagle-eyed of you will notice that the fridge and the microwave unit were actually on that side of the bathroom. So the bathroom is further up and then the unit's there. It's all the same stuff though, it's all the same spec. So obviously the kitchen in the 6 metre one moves up 36 centimetres this way, and then the 36 centimetres that side is taken up by removing that cabinet and high level cupboard there. But so if you've got 6 metre drive, buy the 6 metre. For me, if I had a bigger than a 6 metre drive, I'd probably buy the XL. You know, it doesn't make a lot of difference, does it? So if you're more comfortable with a 6, you can have a 6. And this is the Oyster Urban wood, and these have got the 200-watt panel, and they've got the new Truma control panel, which I can't quite see back there somewhere, that controls the whole van rather than the CBE control panel. Plus size and downsize to either one really. Standard spec on them all, so fly screen door, all the cab spec that I mentioned, the alloys, the front fog lights, lithium battery, 100 amp hour, is expandable, 200 watt solar panel, diesel electric heating and hot water, grade 3 fully winterized, and heated and insulated fresh and waste water tanks, which are around 100 litres. So 77,995. We've got one factory fresh one available straight away as a 6 metre Europa, just like that. We've got a choice of 3. The display demo at a bit of a deal. The 180 brake, it's also getting a bit of a deal on the 180 brake engine upgrade, and avoid the weight if you want it. Or the factory fresh 140 brake out of our storage compound. So yeah, pretty good timing if you want to enjoy the summer, because it's going to be a good one, isn't it? I hope. Certainly is at the moment. So give us a call today before these go on 01626 832 792. Hit Motorhome Sales for the Wildax Sales hotline. You can text or WhatsApp, or if you like, call the mobile 07432 662 558. Get straight through to myself, or if I'm not in, James or Ash will have the phone. And if no one answers, I will flog them. Ping me an email direct if you like on jw4 at highbridgecaravan.co.uk. Come and see us. So we'll always have display Europa XL just off the A38 South Devon Expressway between Plymouth and Exeter, and ask us about the wonderful world of the Wildax Europa XLs. Thank you very much. Goodbye.